Jap pumpkins have been a perennial staple in my garden for 3 years now. We've just come out of winter, but they keep coming back year after year. Thought I'd show you a video on how I started trailing them up a poinciana. This poinciana tree grew itself, chose to be here, so I thought I'd put it to use, and I'm using these bricks to weigh down the branches to bend it over, and it's creating a good framework for pumpkins, beans, passion fruit, maybe any sort of climber really, to trail up it. And yeah, might make a good platform to climb one day when it gets a bit thicker. But I just thought I'd show you this system. It's pretty cool. Obviously it's not very impressive yet, just coming out of winter. The pumpkins are only starting to bounce back. But this whole tree will be covered. It'll become an archway of green with pumpkins hanging around your heads instead of these bricks.